We all enjoy popsicles. It's just not for kids. As adults, we enjoy them as well. What better way to beat the summer than fresh fruit popsicles? Well, today that's what we're going to do. 3 different kinds of fresh fruit popsicles. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first popsicle we're going to do now is a lemon mint cooler. So let's get started. For this, I've taken 1 large lemon. If you have any seeds, please remove them. I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. I'm just grating some lemon zest. Now this is optional. Mix everything first. Just add a little water. As you can see, the honey is completely dissolved. I'm just going to add a few baby mint leaves. Give it a quick mix. This is just to infuse a very mild mint flavor to the lemon popsicle. I've filled 2 popsicle molds. Freeze the popsicles overnight or for about 8 hours. And start with the next popsicle. We're going to make a watermelon and pomegranate popsicle. So I've taken a quarter of the watermelon, chop it into pieces. We're going to blend this in a mixer jar. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now this is optional. If your watermelon is nice and sweet, you don't have to add sugar. Strain the watermelon juice to remove the seeds. I'm just going to add a few pomegranate seeds into the popsicle mold. This is just to give you a nice crunch while having a popsicle. Freeze the popsicles overnight or for about 8 hours. Next, I'm going to do the mango popsicle. For this, take a ripe mango, peel off the skin. Now that mangoes are in season, this would be a great popsicle to have. Add the chopped mango pieces, 3 teaspoons of sugar. This is optional. If your mangoes are very sweet, you don't need sugar. Blend it all together. Freeze the popsicles overnight or for about 8 hours. So there you go, we saw 3 different kinds of juicy and delicious popsicles. So one is a lemon mint cooler, a watermelon pomegranate and a mango. So I hope you guys enjoyed these popsicles. So do try and have a great summer. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Print.